It's after 10 now, and I told you that awning was going to come down. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to come down. Oh crap. The stairwell up here is, let's see, nope, that doesn't help. There's a stairwell that's up here holding it, but these winds are gonna either bend it in half or pick it up. I don't know which. The last part of it just started coming down. Yeah, we're still, you know, getting hammered. It's right here. And I don't know how this is going to work out. If it's going to fall on the lights or what. The rest of it, shit. Whoa. Yeah, it's gonna come down. Part of it's on the stairs over here as well. Whew. Alright, I'm back in. See ya.